Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a paper mache pumpkin. These are great for not only Halloween, but also for Thanksgiving and all throughout the fall season. Materials that you will need for this project include plastic bags, and not just one, but quite a few of them. If you're like me, you probably have bags and bags of plastic bags. Also, you'll need newspaper or scrap pieces of paper, masking tape, some string, a bowl, flour, and also water and a pair of scissors. Start by taking one plastic bag and filling it with more plastic bags. We want to create a round pumpkin shape by doing this. After you've achieved the fullness that you like, tie a knot at the very top of the plastic bag. So here I have my round pumpkin shape with the knot on the very top. Next, we will take our string and cut 3 to 4 pieces. They need to be long enough to wrap around the pumpkin and to have it tied in a knot at the very top. So we'll tie these pieces of string in a crisscross fashion to create the grooves that you see in a pumpkin. Make sure to tie these strings pretty tightly so that you'll be able to see the indentations and the grooves of the pumpkin. Cut off any extra pieces of the dangling strings. So here you can see I have my round pumpkin shape with the noticeable grooves that were created by the strings. Next, we will wrap the top knot with masking tape, covering the entire top to create the shape of a stem. Moving on to the glue mixture, we will prepare it by adding 1 part flour to 2 parts water in a pot. Stir the mixture until all the lumps are gone and it's completely smooth. Place over a stovetop and let it come to a slight bubble. Do not let it boil and continue to stir. We just want low heat so that the mixture thickens. While your mixture is cooling, take your pieces of paper and start cutting them into pieces that are about 1 to 2 inches wide and 2 to 3 inches long. We're going to dip our pieces of paper into our glue mixture. We want to dip it and then let it be wet but not dripping. Place the wet pieces of paper all around your pumpkin shape. Make sure to press down so that you see the grooves showing. Make sure that your pieces of paper are not totally dripping wet. So I'm using my fingers to kind of squeegee them off before I put them on the pumpkin. Be sure to also wrap the stem with the dipped pieces of paper. Lay down your pieces in all different directions. The more different directions that there are, the sturdier your pumpkin will be. And here we have a completely covered pumpkin shape. Even the bottom has been covered. Wait until completely dry, and you can also follow up with a second layer of paper mache to make it even stronger. Once dry, it'll be ready for painting. And here we have our finished painted pumpkin. I've painted it orange and added some yellow for the grooves, and I've painted the stem brown. I'm super happy with how my pumpkin turned out. And as you can see, it's not completely round, but that's okay. That makes everyone's pumpkin unique and special. The glue mixture that we made dried hard and sturdy, so this pumpkin will last for many, many more holidays. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to see my latest creations.